Okay, let us denote our empirical probabilities for ease of calculations later. So we have P1 as the probability that a random chosen car will need a repair only once. So that is 17% or 0.17. For the probability that a car needs a repair twice in a year, we have P of 2, which is equal to 7% or 0.07. And the probability that a car needs more than 3 or more repairs in a year, we have 4% or 0.04 denoted by P of 3. Now we are asked to find first for the probability that a random chosen car needs no repair. Okay? Or let us denote this one as P of 0. Okay? Recall that one of the properties of probability